Welcome to our channel, where today we're going on a journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Imagine a currency that's not controlled by any bank or government, a currency that exists purely in the digital realm. This is the essence of cryptocurrency, a revolutionary form of money that's secure, private, and operates on the principles of cryptography. At the heart of cryptocurrency is the blockchain, a groundbreaking technology that acts as a public ledger for all transactions. It's a chain of information, unbreakable and transparent, ensuring that every crypto transaction is recorded and verified by a network of computers. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, the original digital currency that started it all. Created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin set the stage for a financial revolution. It's often referred to as digital gold, a store of value with a cap of 21 million coins, ensuring its scarcity and value. Following in Bitcoin's footsteps, Ethereum emerged not just as a currency but as a platform for decentralized applications. It introduced the world to smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code, opening up endless possibilities beyond simple transactions. But the crypto universe is vast, with thousands of altcoins like Ripple, Cardano, and Binance Coin, each with its unique features and purposes. These altcoins provide a diverse ecosystem, offering various options for investment and utility. Now, let's talk about how you can become a part of this digital finance revolution. It starts with mining, where transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. There's also the option of wallets, digital tools to store your cryptocurrencies securely, whether online or offline. And when you're ready to buy or sell, cryptocurrency exchanges provide a platform to trade these digital assets. But with great potential comes great risk. The world of cryptocurrency is known for its volatility, with prices that can skyrocket or plummet within hours. Security is paramount, as your digital wealth is only as safe as your private keys. And let's not forget the ever-evolving landscape of regulations, as governments around the world grapple with how to handle this new form of money. So there you have it, a glimpse into the dynamic and intriguing world of cryptocurrency. It's a space brimming with opportunities, but it requires knowledge, caution, and a willingness to embrace the new. Dive in, do your research, and who knows, you might just find yourself at the forefront of the financial future.